Hello guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love Meriton penned down heartwarming letter and cute photos of Jerry to appreciate him. Ultimate Love reality show season 1 star Mercy Bassey Eaton, known as Meriton, has shared lovely photos of her ultimate love partner Jerry Mudiaga for the surprise birthday cake she received from him. Meriton, who celebrated her birthday on the 13th of May 2020, received a lot of prayers and heartwarming wishes as she celebrated her day. However, her ultimate love partner, Jerry Mudiaga, surprised her with a birthday gift. Meriton did not relent in showing appreciation to her ultimate love partner by sharing cute photos of him on social media microblogging platform via Instagram and making a beautiful caption to back the photos. She wrote, "Oh Jerry, thank you so much for the surprise cake on my birthday. It brought back good memories of us back then in the love part. Helping me out with some little things though really meant a lot to me. You always heed to my wise counsel back then and even now. Thanks for staying true and being yourself. You're amazing," at Jerry Mudiaga. Okay guys, what do you think about this renewed friendship going on between Meriton and Mudiaga? Let us know in the comment section below.